Wow, guys, I cannot believe that we found all that iron back there in that cave. And oh my god, where does this cave lead to? I'm not even sure where that cave leads to. There might be some like good gems and stuff down in that cave. But wow, guys, I'm gonna keep searching. I'm gonna keep searching for like a village or something. So I can go to sleep, because right now it's nighttime and there's probably going to be a bunch of zombies and creepers attacking me. I would have slept back there in that cave, but that's probably not the ideal place since all the mobs like to be inside caves, guys. Oh my god, guys! What the heck? What the heck? Did you guys just see that house like magically appear, guys? What the heck was that? Oh my god, guys. Is somebody living in my Minecraft? What the heck is going on? You know what? If somebody's living inside that house, I am going to beat them up. I'm not even online or anything, guys, so I don't even know how they could have gotten my Minecraft. But if it is somebody trying to troll me, and they're like watching me from a distance, they better not come up on me, because I will knock their socks off, guys. I will knock their socks off. Oh my god, I cannot believe that they just did this to me. And whoa, there's a minecart. It looks like there's a bunch of anvils. Oh my god, right there's a chest. Is there anything inside that chest? Oh my god, there's nothing inside that chest at all, guys. How about over here? Is there anything inside these chests? What? There's nothing inside that chest. How about this chest? What? Nothing inside that chest? I cannot believe that, guys. Let's go ahead and try to find a way into this house to confront whoever this house belongs to. If they're even inside this house, guys. This might be like some kind of new structure or something I just didn't hear about in Minecraft, because I've never just had a house appear on me like this, guys. Like, this is crazy. Like, this is really, really crazy. Like, oh my god, guys. Like, what is even going on? What's down in here, guys? Whoa. Oh my god, guys. They have some armor stands. They also have some chests down here, which has nothing in them, guys. It's almost like nobody's even living in this place, because there's nothing in the chest. You would think if they was living in this place, there would be like a bunch of stuff, like a bunch of food and whatnot in the chest. Let's actually go ahead and head on up the staircase. Oh my god, I can hear something. I hear something. It's like in the walls. Oh my god, it's Granny. Oh my god, it's Granny, guys. Oh my god, it's Granny. I'm gonna go and confront her, guys. I am going to beat her for being in my Minecraft. Boom, take that, Granny. Take that. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Granny. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, guys. Right now, I'm so afraid. I'm like shaking right now, guys. Like, I promise you, I am shaking because I don't even know what's going on right now. Like, oh my god, guys. I gotta get her out of this house. I gotta get her out of my Minecraft. Like, I can't just let her stay in my Minecraft, guys. I have got to do something. And take that, Brandy. Take that. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I am going to kill you, Brandy. I'm totally going to kill you. Boom, take that. Oh my god. What just happened to Brandy? Oh my god. Did Brandy just disappear, guys? Oh my god, guys. What just happened to Brandy? Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. This is freaky. This is starting to really freak me out, guys. This is like really starting to freak me out. Oh my god, what happened to Granny? Oh my god, Granny just disappeared. Was Granny a ghost? What the heck just happened? Oh my god, what the heck just happened back there, guys? A house just somehow magically appears in my Minecraft. I go into it to find that Granny's in there, and then Granny disappears. Oh my god, guys, I don't want to go back in that house. But I might have to go back in that house. Let me know if you guys want to see me head back in that house and try to find Granny, because I don't know where she went, guys. And if you guys want to see me go back in there, make sure to slap that thumbs up button and subscribe to stay up to date with this, guys. I cannot believe this is going on. Wow.